Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 7, exercise 1F of chapter 1. Chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics Textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. Today we will learn and solve exercise 1F questions 1 to 7 of chapter 1. Chapter name is knowing our numbers and topic is estimating the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 3, rounding of each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. The number is, first bit is 463. We have to round out this number 463 to the nearest 100. So when we rounded up any number to the nearest 100, first look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 6. 6 is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 4. 4 changes to 4 plus 1. And this tens place digit 6 changes to 0. And unit place digit 3 changes to 0. So 463 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be this 4 changes to 4 plus 1, that is 5, is 5, and this 6 changes to 0, 0, and this 3 changes to 0. Now 463 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be 500. Now second bit, 795. We have to round up this number 795 to the nearest 100. First look at the unit tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 9 and 9 is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 7. 7 is changes to 7 plus 1, that is 10, that is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8, and this tens place digit 9 changes to 0 and unit place digit 5 changes to 0. Now 795 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be this 7 changes to 8, 8, and this 9 changes to 0, 0, this 5 changes to 0, 0. Now 795 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be 800. So 463 rounded up to the nearest 100 is 500 and 795 rounded up to the nearest 100 is 800. Now third bit, 1348. We have to rounding up this number 1348 to the nearest 100. So when we rounding up any number to the nearest 100, first look at the tens place digit. Your tens place digit is 4, which is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 100 place digit. Just write down the 100 place digit as it is, that is 3. Just write down 3, and 1000 place digit 1. Just write down 1000 place digit 1. This 1 and this 3 and this 4 changes to 0. This 4 tens place digit, just write down tens place digit 0, that is 4 changes to 0, and unit place digit 8 changes to 0. Now 1348 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be 1300. Now fourth bit, 2687. We have to round up this number 2687 to the nearest 100. When we rounded up any number to the nearest 100, look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 8. 8 is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 6. 6 changes to 6 plus 1. And 1000 plus digit, just write down 1000 plus digit as it is, and this tens place digit 8 changes to 0 and unit place digit 7 changes to 0. So 2687 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be these two write down 2, and this 6 changes to 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, and this 8 changes to 0, 7 changes to 0. Now it is the answer. Now 2687 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 2700, and 1348 rounded up to the nearest hundred is 1300. So 1348 rounded up to the nearest hundred is 1300, and 2687 rounded up to the nearest hundred is 2700. Now question number 5th bit, 7765. We have to round it up this number 7765 to the nearest hundred. When we rounded up any number to the nearest hundred, look at the tens place digit. Your tens place digit of 7765 is 6, which is more than 5. So you have to add 1 to the hundred place digit. Here hundred place digit is 7. So this 100 plus digit 7 changes to 7 plus 1, that is 8. And 1000, write down 1000 plus digit as it is, that is 7. It's 7. And this tens place digit 6 changes to 0. And this 5 unit place digit 5 changes to 0. Now 7765 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be this 7, 7, this 7, 7 only. This 7 changes to 8, 8, and this 6 changes to 0, 0, and this 5 changes to 0. Now 7765 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 7800. Now 6th bit, 28,481. When we rounded up this number 28,481 to the nearest hundred, look at the tens place digit. Your tens place digit is 8, which is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the hundred place digit. Here hundred place digit is 4. So 4 changes to 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. And write down just 10,000 place digit as it is, that is 2, and this 1000 plus digit as it is, that is 8, and this 100 plus digit 4 changes to 5, and tens place digit 8 changes to 0, and unit place digit 1 changes to 0. Now 28,481 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 28,500. So 7,765 rounded up to the nearest hundred is 7,800, and 28,481 rounded up to the nearest hundred is 28,500. Now 7th bit, 6008. We have to round up this number 6008 to the nearest hundred. When we rounded up any number to the nearest hundred, look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 0. So this 0 change here 0, which is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 100 plus digit. Just write down 100 plus digit as it is, that is 0. Changes to, just write down 0 as it is. And 1000 plus digit 6, just write down 6 only. And this tens place digit 0 changes to 0, and unit place digit 8 changes to 0. Now 6008 rounded up to the nearest hundred will be 6, this 6, and this 0, 0, and this 0, 0, and the unit place digit 8 changes to 0. Now it is 6000. So 6008 rounded up to the nearest hundred is 6000. Now 8th bit, 60,705. We have to round up this number to the nearest hundred. So when we rounded up this number to the nearest hundred, look at the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 0, which is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 100 place digit. Just write down 7 as it is, and 1000 place digit 0. Just write down 0 only, and 10,000 place value digit 6. Just write down 6 only. And this tens place digit 0 changes to 0, and this unit place digit 5 changes to 0. Now 60,705 rounded up to the nearest 100 will be this 6, 6, 0, 0, this 7, just write down 7 only, and this 0, 0, and this 5 changes to 0. Now it is 60,700. So 6,008 rounded up to the nearest 100 is 6,000, and 60,705 rounded up to the nearest 100 is 60,000. 60,700. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.